Welcome students, welcome to your online mathematics class. So as in the previous video I have solved question, so I will solve another difficult questions. Okay, and so that it will be easy for you to complete the exercise and you understand the concepts better. Okay, so starting with this question number 28. Now it says the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Okay, 6 times their geometric mean. Show that numbers are in the ratio. So we have to show that there are two numbers, okay, and the sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Okay, you have to show that the numbers are in this ratio. Okay, so now see students, before starting with the questions, understand this geometric mean. What do you mean understand with geometric mean? If I say a and b are two numbers, then the geometric mean is equal to root ab. Simple students. If I say a and b are two numbers, then arithmetic mean is what? A plus b by 2. I had explained this. Okay, now you should remember geometric mean. What is geometric mean? If a and b are two numbers, the geometric mean is root ab. If I take x and y, two numbers, so the geometric mean will be root xy. Alright, so now starting with the question. Now it is saying the sum of two numbers. So let the two numbers be a and b. Okay, I'm taking these two numbers. It is saying that sum of two numbers, this means sum a plus b, right, is 6 times their geometric mean. So if a and b are two numbers, so what will be the geometric mean? Root ab. This is what I had explained to you. See, geometric mean. So this is your equation number 1. Okay, now but question is not saying that you have to show this. Question is saying you have to show that the numbers, this means these two numbers, this a and b, are in this ratio. 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, this means I can rewrite this. Alright, if you see this carefully, I can rewrite this as a plus b upon 2, right, ab, okay, is equal to 3. I have rewritten this side. Okay, see here, 2 3s are 6, correct, into root ab, correct. This means I've done this replacement. Okay, the rearrangement from our side. A plus b is equal to 6 root ab. I have written this as, okay, I can write this as 2 into 3 root ab, and this 2 and ab I am taking in the denominator. I can do this, so that is what I have taken. A plus b upon 2 root ab is equal to 3. Understand this very carefully, students. A plus b upon 2 root ab is equal to 3. Now applying componendo and dividendo. Okay, I'm not writing the complete thing, you should know this. Applying componendo and dividendo. So what is this? Applying componendo and dividendo. Suppose if I take a upon b is equal to c by t. Okay, if I apply componendo and dividendo, this will be equal to, okay, when I apply componendo and dividendo, this will be a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Okay, now same thing I will be doing here. I will be applying componendo and dividendo here. Understand this carefully. So let me change the ink, it will be easy for you to differentiate. So when I apply componendo and dividendo, I will be getting a plus b plus 2 root ab. See, a plus b, this is a, this is b, this is c, and you can write this as d1 upon a minus b. So a plus b minus 2 root ab. So same thing applying on the right hand side. 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. A plus b divided by a minus b. Done this. C plus d divided by c minus d. So 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2, which is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, now let me draw a line, then I will start from here. So now I am getting a plus b plus 2 root ab upon a plus b minus 2 root ab, and this is whole, okay, is equal to 2 by 1. Now I can rewrite this as root a plus root b whole square. Yes, I can write, check, root a whole square will be a, root b whole square will be b, plus twice AB. So twice root A into root B, correct? Same thing I can do in numerator. Root A minus root B whole square I can write, right? Check this, A square will be root A whole square will give me A, root B whole square will be B minus twice AB, so twice root AB. Okay, you are in 11th class students, you should know this. Root A whole square is equal to A, okay? Root B whole square is equal to B, okay? Why? Because this is root B into root B, okay? All this is studied in 8th and 9th rational numbers, okay? Anyhow, I've just repeated, you should keep this in mind, is equal to 2 by 1. Now if I have to remove this square, so what will I do? I will take square root on both sides. So square root, taking square root, okay, on both sides. Okay, so what will I get? Root A plus root B, right, upon root A minus root B is equal to root 2 upon root 1. So this is root 2, root 1 is a 1 only. Now again apply componendo and dividendo. So again applying componendo and dividendo. Okay, so what is a componendo and dividendo? This means you will add this. This is your A. Okay, let me change it. This is your A, right? This is your B. This is your C. This is your D. So A plus B, right? And divided by A minus B. So that is what I'll do. So root A plus root B. So I will add this root A minus root B upon A minus B. So what is the value of A? Root A plus root B minus. So when I'm taking this minus in brackets, so this will be minus root A minus plus root B. Understand this step carefully, student. Now I'm taking A minus B. See on the right side, A minus B, which is equal to root A plus root B minus root A minus root B. Now when I open the bracket, so minus root A, so that is a minus root A, and minus plus, so plus root B. Now see here, this root B and this minus root B cancel. A and A will give me 2 root A, this plus B and this plus B. Okay, so I will be getting 2 root B, this minus root A and this plus root A cancelled, which is equal to root 2 plus 1 on root 2 minus 1. Okay, applying same thing, component and dividend here. So C plus D divided by C minus D. I hope till here it is clear. Nothing difficult, student. Okay, so let me rub the board 1 minute. Let me rub this. Okay. Okay, so that is what we are using. Just see carefully. Okay, applying component and dividend. Okay, applying component and dividend. A plus B, right, divided by A minus B. Then we are doing C plus D divided by C minus D. Okay, so don't forget this. Okay, it is important. You studied all this in your 8th, but still I've repeated. Okay, you should keep this in your mind. Alright, so now let me draw the line and then I'll proceed. Okay, so till here we have got nothing difficult till here. So we have reached here now. Okay, now you see carefully, we have this 2 and this 2 cancel. I'm left with root A upon root B is equal to root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Now I'm left with this. Now how to remove this square root? Squaring both sides. Okay, so squaring, you can write this complete statement, students. Squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. So this will be what? Root A whole square will give me A, root B whole square will give me B, which is equal to root 2 plus 1 whole square, because this is one term. Okay, root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now how do you solve this? A plus B whole square, right? So A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus twice AB, right, upon A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus twice AB. Okay, now see this root 2 whole square is A, 1 square is 1 minus twice AB, correct? So 2 plus 1 is 3. I can write here 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 root 2. 2 plus 1 3 minus 2 root 2. So that is what we have to show, that A by B is equal to this. Okay, hence proved. See here, that is what we have to show them. Okay, the two numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2, okay, is to 3 minus 2 root 2. So that is what we are getting, 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Alright students, so in this way you will solve the questions. See here, it is given that I am repeating from the beginning, a plus b is equal to 6 root ab, because it is given 6 times the geometric mean. So geometric mean means root ab. So again rewriting this as a plus b divided by 2 root ab is equal to 3, right? Then applying component 1 dividend of a plus b divided by a minus b, which is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. Okay, then squaring, taking square root on both sides. Okay, square root on both sides, this square will vanish. Okay, here it will be square root. Now again applying component and dividend, cancelling 2, we are getting this. Now squaring both sides. Okay, so that this root is vanished. This is squaring both sides for me. Okay, and then simply solve by a plus b whole square, you are getting this. So in this way you will complete the questions. So difficult questions I have solved, students should try and complete other questions. Okay, so in the next video and next class we will start with the miscellaneous. So study well, all the best. I hope it is clear, nothing difficult. Alright students, and maintain your fair register, students. Complete all these questions in your fair registers. So study well and be disciplined, students.